Understanding blockchain nodes.
Blockchain nodes are the individual computers or devices that connect to a blockchain network. Each node participates in maintaining, verifying, and sharing copies of the blockchain's transaction history. These nodes work together to help the network function smoothly. Without nodes, a blockchain could not operate or remain secure. Let's explore their types and functions to understand how they keep networks safe.
Types of nodes in a blockchain.
There are several types of blockchain nodes, but the most common are full nodes and light nodes. Full nodes store the entire blockchain and validate every transaction, ensuring accuracy and honesty. Light nodes, on the other hand, store only partial information and rely on others for verification. Both types play valuable roles, but full nodes are especially important for security.
How nodes validate transactions.
Whenever someone tries to add a new transaction, nodes work to verify its authenticity. This process involves checking cryptographic signatures, transaction histories, and network rules. Full nodes are key here, as they independently confirm that every transaction follows the blockchain's protocol, preventing fraud and mistakes. Only after reaching agreement do nodes add transactions to the blockchain.
Consensus. Reaching agreement.
Blockchain nodes use special processes called consensus mechanisms to agree on which transactions are valid. Examples include proof of work and proof of stake. Consensus ensures that even if some nodes act dishonestly, the correct version of the blockchain is maintained. This process is central to a blockchain's security and reliability.
Why nodes keep blockchains secure?
Nodes provide security by making blockchains decentralized. No single person controls the network. If one node is attacked or behaves badly, others continue protecting the network and correcting mistakes. By validating transactions, maintaining copies, and using consensus, nodes make blockchains resilient against hacking and fraud.
The importance of nodes in everyday use.
Every blockchain transaction, such as sending cryptocurrency, depends on nodes. Whether you're investing, building apps, or just curious, understanding nodes explains how blockchains remain transparent, secure, and trustworthy. By working together, nodes empower the open global systems that power digital currencies and many other modern innovations.